Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to fix Bluetooth not connecting on Google Pixel 10 Pro. So first scroll from the top and hit and hold the Bluetooth to open the Bluetooth settings. Then scroll once again and disable the Bluetooth, then enable it back on. Hit the gear next to your connected device and forget. Now pair a new device and try connecting again. Pair. And if you still have any issues, then try restarting your phone and the Bluetooth device. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.